It's a computer system like no other. CIS, or Compliance Information System, has been designed by the Minnesota Department of Agriculture's Pesticide and Fertilizer Management Division to revolutionize the way the agency does its job, enforcing the laws that apply to its regulated clientele, protecting the safety of all Minnesotans, and ensuring a healthy environment. What makes this system unique? It's completely paperless. No more file cabinets upon file cabinets filled with forms. It's portable, whether an MDA employee is in Roseau conducting a routine inspection or in Red Wing looking into a misuse complaint. They can all be logged into CIS. It's also an all-in-one tool. Inspectors have direct access to individual and company licensing information, aerial maps, previous inspection reports, and more.
Perhaps the most powerful thing about CIS is that it provides to our field inspectors all the information that we have about our regulatory programs to them in the field while they're on site. At the same time, what they're able to do is to provide all the information that they have back to St. Paul.
After 4 years of development and testing, the Pesticide and Fertilizer Management Division has transferred all of its work to CIS. It now carries out its regulatory function in Minnesota using this high-tech tool. CIS delivers several important benefits to the Minnesota Department of Agriculture and its stakeholders. First, Pesticide and Fertilizer Management Division employees benefit from greater real-time access to important regulatory information. With CIS installed on laptop computers, the system can be transported and accessed by inspectors anywhere in the state. After these workers simply connect to the internet, office staff can then see the progress of inspections and any completed paperwork within hours.
I've got a question about something. I can go to my docking station in my office and send the inspection to St. Paul, and we can talk about if I had some questions, certain questions about different things. They can look at photos that I send or look at the inspection and make, we can make a decision right then and there. Is this right? Is this wrong? Or do we need to change something?
CIS also provides uniformity, whether it's a routine inspection, an investigation into a misuse complaint, or response to an ag chemical emergency. CIS provides employees with uniform guidelines and standards when doing their job. Inspectors simply call up one of 14 different scenarios and answer a series of questions tailored to the type of facility or situation. CIS also provides flexibility to MDA staff. Inspectors can add comments to reports, and staff has the ability to update and add information without the need of a computer programmer. Another group benefiting from the Compliance Information System is MDA's regulated clientele. CIS has standardized the way inspections are conducted across the state. This means all laws are carried out the same way by each inspector. And after an inspection is finished, CIS can determine the action item or order that needs to be followed to bring a facility into compliance with the law. These are typed, legible, and consistent from case to case.
I think it's a very big step in the right direction for consistency in the field. Having been in the agriculture business for 29 years, I think I can see the real need for consistency and fairness from one dealer to the next, from one inspector to the next.
Finally, each Minnesotan may see a benefit from CIS. Before the computer system, inspectors would fill out forms in the field, mail or deliver them to MDA's headquarters in St. Paul, where they would be copied, distributed, and filed. But now with CIS, that cumbersome process is gone. CIS acts as an online filing system and database, accessible by all authorized MDA employees. This technology has streamlined regulatory oversight, creating a more effective government.
When we get complaints, we don't really know if it's just an isolated situation or not. Now we have the ability to go in the system, be able to search by lots of different parameters, and be able to tell what it is that we're dealing with. And that's very different than before, because we'd have to, in the past, do hard copy tallies on things like that.
The tools MDA staff now have at their fingertips can also serve as a life-saving resource in an emergency situation. Consider a scenario of a chemical spill with human exposure. An MDA employee on scene at the emergency can use their laptop containing CIS to quickly access pesticide labeling information for medical personnel, ensuring victims receive proper treatment. As shown, the Minnesota Department of Agriculture has a powerful tool to carry out its pesticide and fertilizer inspections and regulatory duties in the state. However, this is just a small fraction of what the Compliance Information System can do. Soon other regulatory divisions within MDA will be using this system, such as dairy inspectors on the farm. It will guarantee accuracy and fairness while improving efficiency, important goals for Minnesota agriculture and Minnesota taxpayers.